Now this one, you can almost harvest all the fruits on it because they are all ready for harvest. So what is the right way to harvest when you are harvesting your chili fruit?
Now if
you harvest it like this, it will be gone. It won't be exported. So you have to harvest it with the stalk. If you harvest the chili fruit without the stalk, then it will not be taken. It will be removed as reject. So you have to harvest it with its stalk. Now, you harvest them like this. You see this? That's how you harvest the chili. That is the right way to harvest your chili, which is exactly the same thing for hot pepper. That stalk is the one that preserves that fruit. When it comes to harvesting, which one is easier to harvest? Hot pepper is easier to harvest. Now you see all these employees who are right there helping me to harvest this chili. If this was a hot pepper garden, by this time they would be done already, but it won't be possible with chili.